thinking was, after the collapse, only hunger strung us together. Yeah. There was no future anymore. No new world. Bunkers took that all away. Left us with tree rot, poison crop. Nothing would grow. Besides the rare tiger, yeah, in the wild. Nothing to eat. So what do? What can you do? In the beginning, there was all this lying and stealing and throating each other in our sleep. Yeah. But then the game came along. And see, I said game. No, it wasn't a game. No. We made that mistake at the start. Tied to skill. Then we realized it had to be pure luck. Right? Chance. Here today, gone tomorrow. One by one. That's it. Right? That stopped all the fighting. No more conspiring after that. Looking back and forth. For the first time as a species, we became present. You call us what you want. Evil, putrid, deplorable. The bunkers said it all. And they made us this way. They have the gall to judge. But that's the difference between us, right? They hide while we face the light. We're cleaning up the mess of mankind. Not them, no. That's what this is really. Leaving no trace. Wiping away the blight. Negation. Self-annihilation. The right to disappear. Yeah. So you say what you want. Come with your hatred. We welcome it. We love it. Because we know better than you. We reached the final stage. Yeah. We reached it. And we're breaking the contradiction. Get out of my face! My name's John Erickson.